All right, we got a Katzkin Leather install today, which is both profitable for the shop and cost effective to the client. We're gonna show you a couple tips and tricks along the way today. Number one, always make sure you pull the headrest, eliminating the issue of scratching the door jambs. Another thing that you can do is shut the back door when you're pulling the front seats. This is gonna make sure you're not scratching that back door. Small things that are gonna go a long way in your business. We hope to give you some great insight on the installation process, get rid of the misconception that Katzkin covers are literally thrown on and they go from looking like this to looking like this in a snap of a finger.